Okay, Sarah, I just finished the sample campaign for you. Based on my schedule, I will send this one to your warehouse. But you said there's something wrong for the CCIC, so I make this video to introduce the sample to you. For this sample cabinet, I make one drawer and one door, so you can get all the detail about all the quality about our cabinet. This one, even though it is only a very small sample, but this one will be exactly same to the one full set. Okay. And for this cabinet, I use the melamine, matte color melamine. I try to use the high gloss painting for you, high gloss painting for you, but it will take very long time to do the painting. So I just use the melamine. Simple material. Why I use the simple material? Because the simple material, because it will take very long time to one full set in high cost panel. But I have prepared another sample for you. This one is the high cost. This one is high gold. Can you see? 睇唔睇到高高口啊？睇得到？
少少，啱喐啱。
Can you see？
得，向做翻大力啲，因為佢少少喐反光度有啲得。
Okay, and this one is for you to check the quality of our painting. So I prepared two samples for you. One for the door, one for the cabinet. And for the cabinet, what you need to inspect is all the detail. All the detail about the cabinet. 好，開始影細節。估到啱啊。For example, this one. Can you see this one is high gloss C channel? C channel, exactly same. What you need, this C channel. This one is L channel, and this one is the C channel. C channel. I provide you the cover. Actually, if for your kitchen, you do not need the. If for your one full set kitchen, you do not need this C channel, because at the end, I will use the end panel to cover. I'll use this one to cover it. So, do not need this cover. Okay. And after the C channel and L channel, let's take a look at the action. This one is the 45-degree with the PVC action. You can see without any line on the top of the action. This surface and this surface, this the board, but there is not any joint line. In the past there will be a joint line, but my factory use the new machine. We can use that machine to make the action similar, exactly same to lineless, without any line here. Okay, and you can check the action here. 睇下個封邊。 旁邊特別靚嘅最靚嘅拍拍。Can you see the action? Okay, after finish this door panel, let's take a look this one. Of course, I provide you the plum hinge with soft closing. Let me show you the soft closing. Soft closing. Okay. Let's go to our cabinet, inside cabinet. We use this cell pin with the rubber on the top, so it will be easy to it will very easy to stop the cell moving front or moving back. Okay. Check. It is very hard. Okay. Then go to the toolkit, aluminum toolkit that you need. Okay, finish this cabinet. Finish the front. Let's go to the back panel. Let's go to the back panel and the side panel. Let's check the side panel first. Check it. 啲螺絲度有冇啲螺絲喺度？
有嘅，睇先。
喺邊度螺絲？
要揾揾啦。喺度。
You can see the side very easily. We use this screw to join the cabinet together. This one is very, very thick. It's better than this one. It is better than this one. Yeah, so we always recommend our client to use this one. This one is better. Okay. Finish the side panel. Finish the side panel. We use this screw. The another advantage is very easy to assemble the cabinet. Faster than this one. Okay. Let's check the back panel. The back panel here, 5 mm. Okay. So the construction is one cabinet is exactly same to the other cabinet, same to the door cabinet or drawer cabinet. Everything is exactly the same. The construction is same. So you can see, you can check all the quality just based on one cabinet. Okay. Now let me show you once again about the hardware. This hardware, this hardware, based on your project, you told me you need the plum tandem box. Think about the cost; it's very expensive, and this the free sample. So I use this similar hardware for you, and this one is the Chinese tandem box. The quality very similar. Okay, so for the cabinet, another thing you need to check is that the adjustable leg. The adjustable leg is very important because when you finish installation of the cabinet, you have to tilt up the cabinet. For example, finish at the beginning the cabinet like this one. The worker assemble the cabinet on this side, and then they need to make a stand like this. If you use the very weak adjustable leg, the adjustable leg will be very easy to broken. But you use this one, you can tilt several times, many times, not only for the base cabinet, but also for the very tall cabinet. This one is strong enough. Okay, once finished the cabinet inspection, let me show you the countertop. I prepare one small countertop for you to do the inspection, like this. Regardless the color, because in very short time to make the sample, it's not a very easy job. So I got all the material that exists in our factory to make the sample as soon as possible for you. Okay, so check it. I don't have time. What you need to check the joint line. This surface and this surface joint line. You can't see any line between different surfaces. Okay, and then this sample also show you how the structure of the countertop. Take a look at this one. Check it. 45-degree joint. 45-degree joint. The most 係咪真係？唔大係嘛？輪翻
轉翻嗰邊，轉翻呢個局。呢度。睇。
Can you see? First, you have to understand this countertop use two quartz stone to join together. So if you use two two pieces of the countertop to join together to make it 40 mm thickness. It is very easy to make the joint line between this one and this one. Thành ra tao rồi.
Cái phong à?
The form.
Thái độ.
But we have to make it invisible. We have to make it invisible. So, in this sample, I show you the door panel. I show you the countertop. I show you the cabinet. So all the quality you can get very easy from our sample.